Hallo zusammen, wie geht's? Hoffentlich gut. Heute lernen wir neue Wörter. Today we are going to learn some new words. Before that, in the next slide, we have subject enrichment activity which will be conducted in the class. This one I am talking about. Übung 3, Arbeitsbuch. It is a listening comprehension. We have to listen to the dialogue and then mark the correct answer. For example, Thomas, he is telling, someone is asking him, wie geht's dir? And then he is answering something. We have to listen and then mark the correct answer. That is the subject enrichment activity which will be conducted in the class. So now let us move ahead. Hier sind viele Fotos. Here are many photos. Photos von Getränken. Getränke means drinks, beverages. So, the names of these beverages we do not know. They are given over here up. Das Mineralwasser, die Cola, die Milch, der Kaffee, der Tee, der Orangensaft and the Limonade. We have to match the correct name to the correct photo. So you can pause here for a while and then we will check. So did you get all of it? Okay. Wir checken das. Foto 1. Das ist der Orangensaft. Orange juice. Saft means juice. Dann Nummer 2. Das ist der Tee. Nummer 3. Das ist die Cola. Nummer 4. Die Limonade. Nummer 5. Die Milch. Nummer 6. Das Mineralwasser. Nummer 7. Der Kaffee. Okay, wir wiederholen das noch einmal. Der Orangensaft, der Tee, die Cola, die Limonade, die Milch, das Mineralwasser, der Kaffee. Okay, ganz einfach. Most of them are similar to English. But now, when you use these drinks in a sentence, we always mention the container. Correct? For example, we say, I want 1 cup tea. I want a glass of water. A glass of juice, for example. So, when you use it in a sentence, we always need the container. Here, again we have 4 photos. And the names are given to the left hand side. We have to match the correct name to the correct photo. So, Nummer 1, das ist die Dose. Die Dose means can. Eine Dose Cola. So you drink Cola in a Dose. Nummer 2, das ist die Flasche. Flasche is bottle. Eine Flasche Mineralwasser. 1 bottle of mineral water. That is Flasche. Nummer 3, das ist das Glas. Ein Glas Wasser or ein Glas Saft. A glass of water or a glass of juice. And then Nummer 4, die Tasse. Tasse is cup. Zum Beispiel eine Tasse Kaffee. Eine Tasse Tee. Correct? Simple. In order to use all this in a sentence, we need to learn the verb trinken. Trinken is obvious, it is to drink. Correct? So the verb conjugation is very simple, like we conjugate any other verb. Ich trinke, du trinkst, sie es trinkt, wir trinken, ihr trinkt, sie trinken. So how will you use it in a sentence? Ich trinke ein Glas Wasser. Du trinkst eine Tasse Kaffee. Correct? It is very simple. Übung 7. Was passt zusammen? So up we have pictures of containers and below we have the names of drinks. We have to match the correct drink to the correct container. Ein Glas. So what will you drink in a glass? Orangensaft, Milch, Mineralwasser. Correct? These three will be ein Glas. Ein Glas Orangensaft, ein Glas Milch, ein Glas Mineralwasser. Then we have Dose. Eine Dose Cola. Only that one is possible. And then eine Tasse Tee, eine Tasse Kaffee. Two options are possible. And eine Flasche Mineralwasser, eine Flasche Orangensaft, eine Flasche Milch. The things that you get in a bottle, you can say with eine Flasche. But here the context is not about buying. When you buy, you get it in a bottle, but when you drink it actually, you would rather use a glass. Coming to the next exercise. Fragt und antwortet wie im Beispiel. So how to offer a drink? You will have to ask, trinkst du dash? Or trinken wir dash? Trinkst du means, will you drink? Trinken wir means, should we drink? For example, trinkst du eine Tasse Tee? Ja, gern. Or nein, danke. You can also say, trinken wir ein Glas Orangensaft? Ja, gern. Or nein, danke. Ja, gern means yes, I would like to. Nein, danke means no, thank you. So you can use so many different combinations. Trinkst du eine Tasse Tee? Trinkst du Tasse Kaffee? Trinken wir ein Glas Milch? Correct? So many possibilities are there. And the answer will be ja gern or nein danke. We will practice this in the actual class. Und jetzt Übung 9. Der, die, das. Schreib 3 Listen in dein Heft. Write 3 lists in your notebook. Which 3 lists? Der, die, and das. So the nouns that are masculine, you will write under there. Feminine under die, masculine, neutral under das. So what will come under there? Orangensaft, Tee, Kaffee, that's it. Under die, you will write Milch, Cola, Dose, Tasse, Limonade, and also Flasche. And under das, you will write glass and Mineralwasser. Extremely simple. We have been doing this since the beginning only. Whenever you learn a new word, add it in your list that you are maintaining from the beginning. Masculine, feminine or neutral. Okay? Gut. Jetzt machen wir Schluss. Auf Wiedersehen.